Road Angel Halo, protecting you and your vehicle. The annual cost of Crash for Cash schemes is $392 million. Motorists who drive without insurance are costing those who do around £30 extra a year on their premiums. 380 fraudulent claims are made to car insurance companies daily. The Road Angel Halo is a discreet accident camera system for your vehicle. Road Angel Halo is ready to catch any accidents that may happen on the way. Features include forward and rear-facing cameras, mounts easily to your windscreen, real-time, event, manual and parking modes, downloadable footage to be used in a claim. Optional sound recording with privacy button. G-force sensor. High definition resolution. Built-in GPS with Google Maps. Comes with a 16GB microSD card, but is compatible with up to 32GB. Built-in power management system. A 1280 pixel by 720 pixel front-facing camera and a 640 pixel by 480 pixel rear-facing camera. 150-degree viewing angles. In the box you get front and rear cameras, a windscreen mount, a 16GB microSD card, a USB stick with PC software and user guide, and more.